Exercise for beginners. 3 tips to get momentum. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get momentum in exercising regularly. Welcome back to another video. My name is Dom, and I help people to step into their truth and power. This video is focusing on exercise for beginners and 3 tips to get momentum and exercising regularly. First things first. When I tell you that you have to exercise, what thoughts or feelings come up for you? Likely, if you're like me, when I was starting out, likely it's on the order of, I don't want to do that. I don't feel like it. I'm not motivated. Maybe even some dread. Why is that happening? It's happening because somewhere along the line in our experience, we've associated exercising with pain. I know I spent the first half of my life as an overweight, awkward kid. I hated gym class. And they always made me do things that I didn't want to do. And on the other side of that, it put my body in pain. It hurt for days. Twice a year, we had to take what they called the National Physical Fitness Test. This was back in the day. And it was a pass or fail grade. You either did it or you didn't. Well, I never passed it, not once. But worse than that was the pain my body was in for days after. It was so sore. It felt like I was hit by a truck. So I was programmed at a very early age that exercise is bad. It doesn't feel good. And it was no fun. And so I completely avoided it. You, like me, may have some type of pre-programming around exercise. And if this is true, tip number 1 is to change your language. If you can relate to this, type in the comments, change my language. If you can relate to this, type in the comments, change my language. I want to invite you, don't say the word exercise anymore. Use the word movement. So instead of saying I need to exercise my body every day, I'm inviting you to say I am going to move my body. Just in that simple change. Do you notice a little bit of a shift in your attitude and your energy? Moving my body isn't really associated with pain. So right off the top, I'm much more willing and open to doing it. Tip number 2, do something fun. Do something fun. In choosing how to move your body, I encourage you to do something you are going to enjoy. Why? Because if it's not fun, it's not going to be sustainable. You're not going to stick with it. And I get the sense that most of you really are trying to make this a lifestyle change for yourself. You don't want it to be gone in 30, 60, 90 days. You want it to stick. And so if this is you, type in the comments, fun, fun, fun. Type in the comments, fun, fun, fun. My favorite way to move my body has been doing body combat. Body combat is a mixed martial arts influenced cardio workout that has a lot of air punching and kicking, and I just love it. The music in it, I feel like I'm so empowered. I'm stepping into my power and I'm getting a lot of the and stress out of me as I'm doing all this punching and kicking. I feel amazing afterwards, and being set to inspiring music, being a musician myself, that just really motivates me and I have a great time. So what kind of movement would be fun for you? Maybe some type of program like that. Maybe it's just going outside for some fresh air for a walk or a hike. Maybe it's walking the dog. Maybe you would like to try some stretching. Maybe you just want to stretch your body. You can try yoga or PIO, which is a great program. Maybe you love music and you just want to dance. That's awesome too. When we're getting started, it's really important that we choose something that will be fun. Tip number 3, abandon all or nothing mentality. Abandon all or nothing mentality. Sometimes we prevent ourselves from even getting started because we're not mentally all in yet. And often because we're not feeling all in yet, there is this demotivating energy preventing us from ever getting started. And then that creeps into becoming endless procrastination. Can you relate? Yeah, I know. I was there for so many years myself. But when I abandoned this notion of I have to be all in to do it, and I just gave myself permission to do this one day at a time, movement didn't feel so challenging or difficult to do anymore. There was just much more ease in knowing that I can just show up for myself, looking forward to having fun, doing what I was wanting to do. And so I'm inviting you to abandon the all or nothing mentality. That all or nothing mentality is all occurring in our mind. In fact, a lot of this stuff is occurring in our mind. And so our mind does this to keep us safe, safe from pain or safe from experiencing failure. So it's really important that we also take time to calm the mind each day too. In calming our mind, we're actually exercising our minds by not doing more, but by relaxing more. Our minds need to relax. Many of us are overthinkers. I was one of them. So getting out of your thinking head in your current moment is a key to maintaining momentum, getting into momentum and staying in momentum in moving our bodies. To help you, I invite you to listen to my free Calm the Mind meditation exercise. Actually, it's not so much a meditation, but a 10 to 12 minute visualization that I walk you through to easily get you out of your mind and just calm down and get you into your present moment. I've done this exercise with countless clients of mine, and it's proven to be a powerful tool that they use to help keep themselves calm and out of that overactive mind. So as I shared, the Calm the Mind meditation exercise is free to listen to. I'll put the link in the description box below for you. So which one of these 3 tips was the most helpful for you today? Which one of the 3 tips was the most helpful for you today? Share in the comments below and let me know. And if this helped you in any way, I invite you to like and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be having a lot more videos coming. And if you would like to pay it forward, share this video with just one person who you think would benefit from watching this. I know that if this is helping you, it's likely helping somebody you know as well. I hope this was helpful for you today, and I look forward to connecting with you again in my next video.